Hi, this is Iya, and another day, another episode of How We Doing. Yeah, today we're going to do a haul. Today we're going to do a 3-3 haul. So yeah, yung mga binili ko last 3-3 sa TikTok. Okay. I've been wanting to make a haul since I was a kid, so yeah. Bear with me guys. This is my first time doing this and I'm kind of excited because I want to try all the products and I've been eyeing those products for a very long time, like for a month. So yeah, we have here the first two, the Colorette. I think this is the first base skin tint from Colorette. Next is we have the PLK. I think this is the illuminator that I bought. Okay, next is we have the contact lens. I am already using the contact lens now and it is in the variant of OMG Brown. I think OMG Brown yata to. And guys, mali yung nakuha kong ano, grade ng eye kasi medyo mataas siya. Anyways, it is from Uyae ba yun? I don't know how to pronounce it. Uyae. And this is the contact lens solution. And then we have the contact lens. I love their packaging. So cute. Yan, and they have the card. They also have the eye drops and the case. ASMR. Okay, next is we have the lashes also. I already bought this. Actually, I have my cluster lashes. My first cluster lashes from Angerisma. Angerisma na yun. It's a glue-free lashes and I already used everything. As you can see, tatlo na lang yung natira. And then, so I bought this from BQI. I don't know kung anong variant to eh. Wait. Di ko mabasa. Ching Chong. Chinese yung nakalagay. And then we have glasses. Yan, glasses. Nahanap ko. Ala, nag-dry yung eyes ko. I have the glasses from... Nalimutan ko yung name ng Shopee. Lagay ko na lang later. Ito. Okay. Try na natin sila. So, first is siguro itong glasses muna kasi gagamitin ko siya ngayon. So, ito. Ang cute ng talagan niya. May pouch siya. And then, may case. And, glasses reveal. So, may ano pa siya. May panglinis ng glass. So, ito. This is the glasses that I bought. So cute, guys. Binili ko tong variant na to kasi sabi ng boyfriend ko, bagay daw sa kanya ganito. Naniniwala ba ka sa kanya? Kinikilig nga siya nun eh, kaya nga binili ko eh. Kasi nag-try on ako ng ganito sa EO before and sa Sonny's. So next is the one that I bought sa Colorette. Yeah. I already have the lippy ng Colorette and nagustuhan ko naman siya. Then, now, nag-search ako ng mga, ng magagandang skin tint and isa yun sa yung Colorette. So, lagyan muna natin siya dito, guys. Mag-unboxing tayo. Sana narinig niyo ako. Bago lang kasi yung mic ko. Sana hindi niyo ririnig yung nasa labas. So, yeah. Bago ko pala i-open. It is the first base skin tint from Colorette. Ang cute ng packaging, color yellow and orange gradient siya. Alam, hindi ko mahulog baling. And then, Yan. Ito ay in the shade Mati. Kita ba? Mati. So, let's try this, guys. I won't put it in my face kasi I have my makeup na. So, i-swatch na lang natin siya. Ang cute naman yung tip. Pati nagamit ko na yun last time. Nag-swatch lang din ako. Look. Shade ko ba? Sana. Nag-try kasi ako ng filter before para maghanap ng shade ko. Then, lumabas tong latte and mati and kalatagan. And so creamy, guys. And easy to blend. I love this. It has a light coverage since skin tint siya, but I think it will do the job naman. Okay, I love this. Balik na natin sa box. Next one, we have the one I bought from BLK. Tagal ko siya inuntay. I want to buy kasi illuminator before. So, ayan. I tried to ipon for this. So, this is the from BLK Cosmetics, their Radiant Glow Filter. Yeah, it says that liquid glow booster. So, sabi nila ito daw is parang makakapag-glow kapag nag-makeup ka. So, gonna try this. It is in the shade cream. Cream. No, hindi siya kita. Basta cream. Okay, we're gonna open this. Look guys, ang cute ng packaging. Matte siya guys. So cute. Okay. Tingnan natin siya sa taas ng ginamit ko. Or ipato ko na lang. So that pala, ito yung nauna kasi ito yung illuminator. Let's watch this guys. Ooh, oo nga. Ang glowing niya guys. Nag-glow siya. Hindi lang siya kita sa camera. Ayun, kita siya sa camera. Ka-shade ko ba? Ayan. So ganda guys. I love it. So yeah, this is my makeup purchase for this 3G sale. Next one is the contact lens. I am already using one, so i-unbox na lang natin yung iba. So yeah. We have the solution. It is the Borneo Fresh Multi-Purpose Solution. I also love the packaging. It's so cute. Then, you're gonna just open it here and then ilalagay mo siya sa contact lens mo to cleanse your contact lens. Next is we have the eye drop. All Day Fresh Contact Lens Eye Drops. I'm using this as an eye drop kapag nagda-dry yung eyes ko. So cute. Parang similar siya ng packaging sa EO ko. I also have the EO eye drops before. Then now sa Oyai. Kasi parang bundle ko siya nabili. For only less than 200 pesos. And then we have here the case. Madami akong case guys. Na ginagamit. Ayan pa, meron dito. Meron din ito. And then, meron din ako sa EO. So, madalas ko ginagamit ito sa EO kasi meron siyang salamin. And then, meron din siyang lagyan na. Wait lang guys. Ayusin ko lang. And next, we have yung lalagyan ng contact lens. Ayan. Siyempre, na-open ko na. So cute guys. So, from Uyai. And then, so, contact lens siya. Good for 1 year na din. And yung nabili ko kasi na grado is 3. Parang mali siya kasi parang ang taas niya tignan. Ayan. O, diba? Binalik ko pa yan. Ang cute! Nilagay ko na siya sa sa eyes ko. Meron din silang parang card. So cute. Okay, next. Ilan ba yung haul ko? Sorry. Parang medyo pawis kasi. Next, have the lashes. Hindi, nag-chat yung jowa at sabi I miss you daw. Yan. Lashes from BQI. Open natin, guys. Oh, may tweezer pala siya. Hala, ang cute. May tweezer siyang kasama. And then, look guys. Ganun yung mga gusto kong lashes. Lagay ba natin? Lagay natin later. Yan, wala na guys. Tapos na. Thank you for watching guys. And I hope thank you for watching guys, and I hope you like this haul. I'm gonna put the product links or pictures na lang. Kasi parang bawal pa ako maglagay ng link sa description box. Bye-bye!